Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's all the same day. I wake up, I go to work, and I try my best to just forget about everything that's bringing me down.
every plan I made for this year completely went out the window. But because of that, I met people and learned things I never thought I would. One of those things was taking care of a dog sled team, an experience that gave me more than I could ever express. After 2 months with those guys, my work in Clam Gulch was done, and my adventure can now begin. I set off for Kodiak Island.
Gravy need a bitch with an ass so bad that it makes it hard to live a life. And I'ma get the bands even if I don't want to. If you smell like Black and Miles, baby, I don't want you. Gravy got the drip and the cheese like a fondue. All of y'all been on one, congrats, I'm on too. And she call me Papa John's. I got the sauce, baby. Get the fuck off my mom. Now get lost, baby. Gravy feel like boss, baby. Mixed with Jack Frost. 80 women at my crib running through them, Randy Moss, baby.
Wind, swell, and land protection all played a role in where the surf would be best. Plus the tide, that could vary up to 20 feet. Lucky for me, I got some tips from a local that I borrowed a board from, and even got a ride on his boat out to a secret spot, Little Woody's they called it. Besides that, I had a week to search for my own wave breaks. There was a huge storm that week, which was great for the waves, but not for the U-Haul that I called home. met some great people in Alaska and had some interesting conversations. For sure they were goobers, coming from all walks of life, but they all chose to live here and loved it. I heard some new music, saw a whole new lifestyle, and got some ideas about my own future. Everyone wanted to share some wisdom with me, and I was happy to listen.
Sometimes I feel like I'm all alone. Yeah, sometimes I feel it's time to go home. Yeah, I was missing my friends a little too much. But you've been telling me good things. Yeah, I was feeling down on my luck until an old wise woman told me to chin up, just be yourself. Well, just be yourself. Well, she said, do good, you'll never regret it. Do bad, you'll never forget it. And be nice, but let no one suspect it. And be wise, but let no one detect it. Just be yourself.